Anti-theft systems in cars are one of those features you don't think about until you're stranded in a parking lot, sweating bullets because your Chevy Malibu won't start. It's like the car suddenly decided you're a cat burglar and won't let you in. The Chevy Malibu's anti-theft system, aka the Passlock, gets triggered by all sorts of things. A dying battery, a faulty key, or the classic, "I tried to start my car too fast and now my dashboard looks like a Christmas tree." It's never at a convenient moment either. You know you've got a problem when you see the little padlock icon on your dash, maybe accompanied by a car-shaped figure. It blinks at you like, "Good luck getting anywhere today, my friend." This is not a moment for deep breathing exercises, though honestly, maybe it should be. Resetting the anti-theft system on a Chevy Malibu isn't some dark magic, but Chevy definitely missed the memo about making it intuitive. Pain point here. The owner's manual acts like this isn't going to happen to you, so it's weirdly vague about actual steps. Step 1 is turning the ignition key to the on position, but not starting the car. You want all the lights on the dashboard, especially that angry little lock. Now patience comes into play. Leave the key like this for about 10 minutes. Yes, that's right, 10 whole minutes. The system likes to remind you that it's in control. The security light should eventually either turn off or stop blinking. If it does, you're halfway to freedom. Don't touch anything. Just keep resisting the urge to flip out. Step 2. Turn the key fully off, then wait another short beat. I usually give it about 5 seconds. Then try starting the car. Sometimes, miraculously, it roars to life like nothing happened at all. Other times, you have to repeat that entire process. Here's the kicker. You might need to do the 10-minute wait cycle up to 3 times if the light doesn't go off. That's a solid half hour of parking lot loitering. Bring a podcast. I can't overstate how often people give up right before it actually works. Some people try to outsmart the system by disconnecting the battery, which usually just makes things angrier. Unless your battery died during the process, pulling the cables generally resets nothing, except maybe your clock and radio presets. I'd skip that step, unless you enjoy radio static. A pro tip if you're dealing with this repeatedly, try using your spare key. Sometimes the chip in your main key gets a little confused or worn. I've seen people spend $200 at the dealer when they just needed to swap keys once. There's an aftermarket market for bypass modules, but installing one typically involves wiring surgery that can go very wrong, very fast. You can save money if you're handy, but one loose wire and suddenly your headlights flash Morse code forever. If after all these resets your Malibu still thinks you're the enemy, your ignition lock cylinder or the anti-theft sensor may be the real culprit. At that point, you're in mechanic territory. Average repair cost? Around $300 to $600, just for a tiny sensor that probably costs $15 to make. Bottom line, if you're late to work and your Malibu locks you out, don't panic. There's a method to this anti-theft madness, and in about 70% of cases, the old 10-minute wait trick will get you back on the road without shelling out dealer prices.